Good morning, my dear students. Students, we were doing exercise 14B. Till question number 4 we have done. Today, we will start from question number 5. Okay? Question number 5 is, arrange the given fractions in descending order of magnitude. Means, we have to arrange the given fraction in descending order. The first one is 5/16, 30/24 and 7/8. We have to arrange this fraction in descending order. For this, first of all, we will find the LCM of denominator. We can find out LCM of denominator or numerator. Understood? So, in this question, we are finding LCM of denominator, that is 16, 24 and 8. Okay? Like this, we will find out the LCM of 16, 24 and 8. That is equal to 48. Now, we will make denominator of each fraction. I repeat, we will make denominator of each fraction equal to 48. The first fraction is 5/16. We will multiply this fraction by 3. That is equal to 15/48. The second fraction is 13/24. We will multiply this fraction by 2. It is equal to 26/48. And 7/8 we will multiply by 6. That is equal to 42/48. Now, we know that if denominator is same and numerator is different, then we will compare numerator to arrange in order. We can see here, numerator of all these fractions is 42, 26 and 15. And 42 is greater than 26, is greater than 15. Whose denominator is greater, the fraction will be greater. Okay? In this way, 42 is greater than 26, is greater than 15. Now we will arrange in order. 42 is the numerator of 7/8. So we will write here 7/8. 26 is numerator of this fraction, 13/24. We will write here 13/24. And then 15 is numerator of this fraction, 5/16. So we will write here 5/16. We have to arrange in descending order. For descending order, we will start from greatest to smallest. So greatest fraction is 7/8, then 13/24, and the smallest is 5/16. It is our order. Now, next question. 5/7, 3/8 and 9/11. We have to arrange in descending order. I have told you, we can find the LCM of numerator or denominator. Okay? Now, in this question, we will find the LCM of numerator, that is 5, 3 and 9. LCM of 5, 3, 9 is 45. Now, we will make numerator of each fraction equal to LCM of numerator, that is 45. Okay? The first fraction is 5/7. We will multiply this fraction by 9. That is equal to 45/63. Second is 3/8. We will multiply by 15. That is equal to 45/120. And the third one is 9/11. We will multiply this fraction by 5. This one is equal to 45/55. Now we have to arrange in descending order. And we know that if numerator is same and denominator is different, a fraction fraction with greater denominator is the smallest fraction. Okay, we can see it is greater than 63 and it is greater than 55, and I have told you a fraction with greater denominator is the smallest fraction and the fraction with smallest denominator is the greatest fraction. So first of all we will write fraction of this one, that is equal to 9 upon 11. Then we will write fraction of this one, that is equal to 5 upon 7. And then fraction of 120, that is equal to 3 upon 8. Okay? Descending order is greatest to smallest. 9 upon 11 is the greatest fraction and 3 upon 8 is the smallest fraction, and it is our order. Now question number 6. Arrange the given fractions in ascending order of magnitude. In this question we have to arrange the given fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to greatest. The first one is 9 upon 16, 7 upon 12 and 1 upon 4. First of all we will find out LCM of denominator. LCM of 16, 12 and 4 is 48. Now we will make denominator of each fraction equal to 48. Let us do 9 upon 16 we will multiply by 3 to make denominator equal to 48. That is equal to 27 upon 48. Next 7 upon 12 we will multiply by 4. That is equal to 28 upon 48. And 1 upon 4 we will multiply by 12. That is equal to 12 upon 48. Okay. Now we will arrange in order. First of all we will arrange this fraction in ascending order. Ascending order is from smallest to greatest. We can see here denominator is same, that is 48. Now we will arrange according to their numerator. The smallest numerator of this one, 12 upon 48. So first of all we will write here 12 upon 48. Then 27 upon 48 and then 28 upon 48. Okay? It is in ascending order from smallest to greatest. Okay? Now 12 upon 48 is fraction of 1 upon 4. So we will write here 1 upon 4. 27 upon 48 is fraction of 9 upon 16. So we will write here 9 upon 16. And last 28 upon 48 is fraction of 7 upon 12. So we will write here 7 upon 12. And it is our answer. Now second, 5 upon 6, 2 upon 7, 8 upon 9 and 1 upon 3. First of all we will find out LCM of denominator, that is 6, 7, 9 and 3. LCM of denominator is equal to 126. Now we will make denominator of each fraction equal to LCM, that is 126. First fraction is 5 upon 6. We will multiply this fraction by 21 to get denominator equal to 126. 5 upon 6 into 21 is equal to 105 upon 126. The second fraction is 2 upon 7. We will multiply multiply this fraction by 18. That is equal to 36 upon 126. Now we will multiply 9 upon 6, 8 upon 9 by 14. That is equal to 112 upon 126. And we will multiply 1 upon 3 by 42. That is equal to 42 upon 126. Now we will arrange in ascending order. Firstly, we will arrange this fraction. The smallest fraction is 36 upon 126. So, firstly we will write here 36 upon 126. Then 42 upon 126. Then 105 upon 126. And last we will write 112 upon 126. We can see here 36 upon 126 is fraction of 2 upon 7. So we will write here 2 upon 7. 42 upon 126 is fraction of 1 upon 3. So we will write here 1 upon 3. Now 105 upon 126 is fraction of 5 upon 6. So we will write here 5 upon 6. And 112 upon 126 is fraction of 8 upon 9. So we will write here 8 upon 9. And it is in ascending order. Understood? The next question is 7. I bought 1 dozen bananas and ate 5 of them. What fraction of the total number of bananas was there? Okay. What is given? Number of bananas. Total number of bananas is equal to 1 dozen. 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. Okay. Number of bananas eaten, that is 5. It is given in the question. Now we have to find out fraction of total number of bananas was there. So first of all we will find out number of bananas left. For this we will subtract number of bananas eaten from total number of bananas. 12 minus 5, that is equal to 7. So number of bananas left is equal to 7. Now we will find the fraction. Fraction is equal to number of bananas left upon total number of bananas. Now we will substitute again. Number of bananas left, that is 7, and total number of bananas is 12. So our fraction will be 7 upon 12, and it is our answer. Now question number 8. Insert the symbol equal or greater than or less than between each of the pairs of fractions given below. Okay. Means 2 fractions are given here and we have to put here symbol of less than, greater than or equal. First of all we will solve the given fraction by applying cross multiplication method. 6 upon 11 and 5 upon 9. By cross multiplication method, 6 into 9 and 5 into 11. 6 9 is 54 and 5 11 is 55. We can see here 54 is less than 55. And so we will put there less than sign. I repeat, 54 is less than 55 and 54 is just below 6 upon 11 and 55 is just below 5 upon 9. So we will put there symbol of base 10. Okay. Now second. Similarly, we will do this one also. 3 into 13 and 7 into 9. 33 is 39 and 9 7 is 63. It is very clear 39 is less than 63. So, we will put here symbol of base 10. Okay. My dear students, it is your homework for today. Keep practice at home. Thank you.